people. It's been a long week. Long week. A lot of drama going on in the world, in the groups, surrounding statues. But today is another day. Today is the day I complete the Bruce situation.
Yeah.
So I already got the Blitzway Game of Death one. And today, we're going to finish it up with Enter the Dragon.
Yes.
Now, this is the one Mr. Thor Gunderson has been really itching to see.
This is Vader's choice of the two Bruces. Both impressive, no question.
Yeah,
but to me, yes.
Who was that?
Jason say, rip into it, let's go.
What is up?
What's up, JJ? Yes.
Oh, yeah. This is no longer the Dexter knife. Or
Nah, I think I might have to flip it or whatever.
Need one of them sharpen it.
Yeah. No, I mean, you gotta like
this
take
is
it
one
out
of those
and then
things
flip it
you
over.
take
Yeah. It's too late for that shit.
Unscrew it or something.
Yeah, just gotta wing it. I mean, some scissors over there if you want to try that.
Yeah, this was the one. This was the. It would be nice to have one, but it wasn't the must-have one for me. It was always a game of death.
We shall see once you get it open.
I mean, I already know. It was always a game of death one for me. But
yes.
Where the hell are you cutting?
Shit. Yes, following this broadcast, we will be going to our affiliate station, the Collectitude, starring Mr. Bond, who is here watching with us. And,
with some hot topics.
Some hot topic, the hot stove.
And that's not the clothing store.
No. Welcome, Dave Kruger. Yes. Mr. PJ SB.
Yes, PJ.
Has joined us to view Master Bruce.
All right. Oh, hold on. They give you a box this time.
Yes. Already an improvement of the situation.
Okay. They give you a box this time. All right. So let me explain why Game of Death over this, or the difference between the two. Because I have no doubt if I went on a Facebook group and had the Game of Death statue and Enter the Dragon statue and asked people, I don't know why they always do this, but ask people, all right, which one should I get? About 90% would pick the Enter the Dragon side.
It's Game of Death, Jeremy. We did, it's Enter the Dragon. I'm sorry, Jeremy. We did Game of Death a few weeks ago.
For me, yeah, they give me a box this time. For me, it was always Game of Death first, Enter the Dragon second. Now, I'm somebody who ain't that crazy about mixed media, and I realize Game of Death, most of them is mixed media. He's covered in the little tracksuit, so I get that. But I also admit, like, as far as
there's some scissors behind you.
As far as which statue probably took the most effort, I'm sure it was this one, because he just got pants on this one. On the other one, he got a whole tracksuit covering his whole body. So I know this one took the most work, and the base is a little bit more elaborate.
This the exclusive with the claw too?
I think he did. Yeah, he showed me pictures with the claw, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the bullshit Mr. Handman. Oh damn,
I think what it is when you think about when somebody says Bruce Lee, like usually the first picture that comes to your mind is something like this. Instead, the kung fu pants on, the kung fu shoes on, no shirt on. That's like the picture most people get when you think about it. You don't think about the tracksuit right away. You know what I mean?
I do.
I know you do.
I think of the yellow tracksuit. that is my first.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing wrong with that.
Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh, what the hell?
They done flipped the script on you.
Yeah, okay.
Didn't the guy who sculpted this come on one of our unboxings one time? Or something? Cause your boy, dude that sold you the first one, didn't he say he was on there one time?
Oh, was he?
Dave Cassie, what's up, homie?
What's up, man?
When you and Bond and them coming on with the next chat, man, I've been waiting to see it. They mentioned you on one of them on their first chat. You ain't see Bond and Sims.
Oh, they did the X thing.
Oh, hold up.
Dang on it. I gotta...
Get your X's up. I ain't talking about DMX. We talking about the yo man in the house,
up,
baby.
Gio
Mizzle, what's up, my brother?
They did the Sinister X thing.
Yeah, and it was talking about when you got the crow, you know, that he said, man, Rodney waited like 3 days. But, you know, you don't understand. We got to wait to do these live unboxings.
Because I live about an hour away from him.
Not anymore.
Well, not anymore.
Yeah.
But I live about an hour away from him.
We happy to see you always, Gio. Oh, Redder, my brother. Well, quick shot, Redder. That's you right there, brother. You got him. You got him in here.
He did this often.
Oh, it's cool, Dave. We
so used to.
This one look a little bit more complicated than the last one.
Yeah. Last one was just styrofoam. This is a box. And...
Zafar, what's up, bro?
Yeah, they gave extra special treatment.
Yeah, I can see that.
This one.
Where this come from?
This is. What do you mean?
No, where the guy?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Okay. Yeah, Redder, that's your guy, man. You found him. Had to drive 90 minutes to go get him, but that's cool. Kevin and Heather and Delana. I know that's right.
Keep putting this back and keep moving.
Nah, Dave, all you gotta do, man, is you gotta do your research. One, you gotta just keep watching videos on the unboxing, watch other people make their mistakes. And that way, you know exactly, like when I did Ghost Rider, I kept watching Cartel's video, like religiously, every hour on the hour. Until it was down to a science. And Vader didn't even have to look at the pieces to put it together. He just studied the art of Cartel. They waiting for you to cry again.
There was potential of it happening with Game of Death.
Yeah,
it ain't gonna happen with this one.
Yeah, I agree with you, Gio. I can't go past 1/4, man. 1/3 is a little bit too huge for me. We forgot the light, man.
Special pieces, I would.
No, I agree. I hear you. It just I can't. My special hacks I done put together. I don't think no 1/3 will fit in there. So.
Oh no.
I'm gonna put Maul over there, Gio. I'm gonna bring Boba, put him down there, and put Maul up high, and I think the lightsaber will stick out. So that's the plan. He's all paid for, by the way, so everybody be expecting XM Maul is coming.
That I'm gonna be curious to see that one.
Yeah, I got high hopes for that one. And then after that, Gio, I will fulfill my destiny and go after the king of Wakanda. It will happen. So swears Darth. Now what's wrong, man? What's going on, man? Thanks, Gio. Your man over here having problems though.
What the hell? Cut all the way around.
It told you that shit is dull now. I got to invest in a better knife. We done unboxed so many pieces.
Yeah, but
even Wolverine got sharpened his shit up every now and then.
I'm cutting through the stuff.
There you go.
All right.
There you go.
Really?
We come to you now, viewing world, from the home of the Stanley Cup champions. Congratulations, Alexander Ovechkin and company.
All right.
Okay, we got
Okay, so
we got movement. We got movement. Yeah. It's backwards.
Well, sure.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
Well, that's
I see what you mean. Yeah, it's huge. I can see that.
base is pretty.
Just a reminder, y'all, Collectitude. After this, we will be discussing, of course, the custom announcement from Sideshow. So,
Arnie Kim, the
Everybody
statue, blah, 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 blah.
there you go.
No number.
No number.
No.
Gio, cover your eyes, man.
Hey, Game of Death don't have a number either.
Cover your eyes, Gio. There's no number.
That's bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to have to move some stuff.
This thing is heavy. Now we got.
It really, it don't feel.
I mean, it's solid.
Yeah, it's solid, but it's not.
What I like about it is it's wood, and you got it's different kind of materials in here. You know. So this is actual wood. This I don't know if this is could be PVC. Then some bottom field like probably don't know.
You know what? Ain't gonna have to worry about trying to figure out
Touch the dragon.
how to put no
yeah.
nunchucks on.
Yeah, ain't gotta worry about no chucks this time. Well, well, at least this time we would have a better idea. Just
Nice.
unscrew the chucks. Well, at least it's one piece. You ain't got to worry. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. You know how to get it. There you go, right there. On the back, you ain't got the light on. We done messed up, Gio.
What happened?
I don't have the light on. There it is. Gio said, wait for the sweat portrait. Just gotta go to the side with the light because we got to turn the freaking spotlight on. That's my bad. Yep, you can see it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what? Something broke?
Okay. No, that comes out though.
Oh, you got the claw.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, so this is it. This is a quick one. See, I told you, Jason. Yeah, this is cold here, boy. Those gonna look good together.
Oh yeah.
They gonna look real good. Like I said, don't put them in the sun. Whoever guy that had that video, man, this dude had both of these jokers in the sun, like in a window. Bullshit, Mr. Handman. Oh, yeah, complete with blood and everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is cold. This is cold. Yeah.
No need to search for any more Bruce Lee stuff.
So Bruce Lee, yeah, Wolverine. The claw is the exclusive, Jason. Yep. Yeah. See, this is I think what most people say that they like because this is more of their when their mental picture of Bruce Lee. You think about this kind of image. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So I know for you it's Game of Death. You know, even though the Game of Death comes with the chucks and the switch that he whooped that dude ass with.
Yeah, Game of Death, that was a movie he died in the middle of.
Right. Get a little close up.
That face.
Right now, I don't mean to stop. You think you can try to plug it because it really is a big shadow on one side. We gotta. I mean, I might have to set it up anyway. But you like that, huh, PJ? Dave say he thinking third scale he can whoop his ass.
You can what?
He thinking third scale he could probably whoop his ass. Even a little 1/3 scale.
Man, I'm gonna tell you because I have Game of Death next to the Batman and Batman Towers above.
And he's one. They both 1/3. Yeah. Well, he's standing on top of it. Well, they both standing.
Well, yeah,
on
they're both. The platform Batman's on is a little higher, but even They were standing.
PJ talking about he rubbing his nipples.
If they were standing on the same floor,
Yeah.
he probably come up to Batman's shoulder.
Damn. There you go. That's better. There y'all go. Got a little light. There you go. All right. Now I'll break it down. Yeah, they're gonna look. Definitely take a picture of these two once you get this home.
See, I'm gonna have to move Batman because right now I thought I was gonna put Batman in the middle,
Right.
and it would just be my shelf with the third scale pieces. But I ain't expect this base to be as big.
Well, remember we saw somebody put this in a detail.
This?
Yeah, remember? You remember that picture I sent you? Somebody had this in a detail. We could try because this one's empty, unfortunately. But
You got a tape measure?
I do. I think it's over there with the all the.
But see, I can't put Game of Death in the detail.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm not doing that.
So I remember we were on Red Titan show, and Gio asked you, "This is one of your gold pieces, or next, you know."
This was the next one.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
So I guess Magneto's next, huh?
Next that's coming or next?
Well, next, what's the next pinnacle piece that you're going after, if there is one?
Yeah, probably that custom Magneto, because
You can see the sweat better.
nobody else, like, that was always my favorite portrait of Magneto, and nobody was ever, millions of people doing Magnetos, and nobody was doing that portrait. And then that portrait, somebody's actually doing that portrait, and they're doing it from the exact same comic book cover where I first saw the portrait and liked it. So they're doing that whole cover. So after
Luis Ojeda said, "Congrats."
oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, he said it looks great.
So after talking about it and seeing pictures when Alex and Gio were showing us, I had to do it.
Yeah, Dave Crooks just said, "Yeah, it fits in the detail."
Yeah, see,
But
if I could get Game of Death in one, then I would do it. But
that'd be
since I
cool
can't-
if they were, one up top, one up bottom. But you gotta find a way to get a mirror or something close to this thing, or
No, I'm gonna get that adhesive mirror stuff,
Right.
and I'm gonna put it on the back wall behind them
Yeah.
when I have it, exactly where I want it. Because right now it's gonna go in my room, and I don't know if I'm gonna put the mirror up there just because.
Gio said, "Congrats, big congrats."
Thank you, man. This is heavy.
It looks it.
Yeah, it's like a paper.
Look like it's made out of metal.
No, this feels plastic.
Oh, does it?
I mean,
It looks like it's metal.
this-
No.
I don't know. This is probably just heavy plastic too. Yeah, man. Bullshit, Mr. Man.
Yeah. They need to make one of him. Jim Kelly. That'd be tight.
Cool. That would be cool.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, I think I might be done. My Bruce Lee collection might be satisfied because these were all. Blitzway was always the one that I was like, damn, they make Bruce Lee statues better than any of the other. I love Inner Bay for their figures, but Inner Bay couldn't touch them with the statues for Bruce. So I got the two Blitzway ones, and I don't know. I know they're working on a custom. We'll see. Because, the appeal of that custom is you can dress them up how you want them. But unless I give them a, wife beater and the black pants, I can't make him look like any of the movies.
Right.
Because the Game of Death stuff they got for him is like a short sleeve yellow and black shirt, and I don't know. We'll see.
Dave Cassie said he watching this on 2 screens for extra views. Well, I guess we gotta cut it short because we gotta get ready to go on this week's Collectitude show. So everybody tune in and it'll be streaming in the Collectitude group, and we're gonna be talking about a few topics. Since Alex is in Thailand, you know, we'll fill in for your chat needs till he gets back.
One major topic.
Yeah, one major topic. Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
All right. Yeah, Dave said congrats again. See us on the chat.
Thank you.
All right, JJ, PJ. See everybody on the chat. We're going to box this one back up and set up the set.
Yep.
So, final words, happy.
The Bruce Lee collection is complete. I can stop getting Bruce Lee stuff now, or Bruce Lee statues, unless something really, really major comes out.
Right.
I would love to see a diorama of him crushing dude's chest from Enter the Dragon, with him making that face. And I know in the movie you never see his feet on dude's chest, but you know that's what he did.
Yeah.
I would love to see a diorama of that with that expression on his face, looking like he straining the shit. But other than that, or a Bruce versus Kareem diorama from Enter the Dragon. I mean, from Game of Death, when he's looking up at Kareem and they're facing off. But standalone statues for Bruce, I don't need one. But some dioramas of Bruce, I could always go for that. But this, completely happy with. I knew I was gonna like it from the beginning. It's just Game of Death has more emotional appeal for me. But I love the look of this. I love, like him in motion, walking through the mirror room, trying to find Han to kick his ass onto the spear, in the fight.
Yeah.
Blitzway, good damn work.
Yes, sir. Well, that'll do it. See y'all in a few. Jason,
Yep.
get it set up, bro. Peace.
You